What's up guys, it's Timmy from Timmy Time with Joey, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw an anime girl. Basically you start with the head, so you do some rough sketches like that, and then you got to do the body. So this is a really difficult part. You have to do that kind of thing which I did there, and you got to do two arms at either side like that. Maybe you can put a little bend in them like that. And you do legs. And then, do the most important part of the anime girl. You gotta perfect. And that is how to draw an anime girl. So thank you for watching, and make sure you follow the tutorial well and you'll get this masterpiece.